Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Starbucks style banana bread. It's my foolproof recipe. You can try it without any doubts. Let's see what the ingredients are. We need 1/4 cup of castor sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder or vanilla essence of 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of brown sugar. Don't skip the brown sugar, it's very essential in this recipe. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of any chocolate you like. It can be dark or it may be milk chocolate, and 2 room temperature eggs, and half cup of melted butter, 1 cup of flour, and chopped walnuts, 6 overripe bananas. Make sure your eggs and butter is at room temperature. Plus the overripe bananas add a little more sweetness to the recipe. Let's start the recipe. First of all, we need to mix the butter. I'm using a hand beater. You can use electric appliance or any kind of hand blender. Now I'm adding 2 eggs into the mixture, and make sure you don't over mix the eggs because it may cause air bubbles and it will not help the cake to rise properly. Make sure you follow the recipe properly because in the end the results are very accurate. You will forget the Starbucks banana bread and you make it at home. Here I'm adding castor sugar and brown sugar, and it will make a very smooth batter. Now that your liquid mixture is all done, we need to peel the bananas and mash it gently. You don't need to over mash it, keep it chunky. You can see how gently I am mashing the bananas. Bananas are already overripe and it will be very easy for you to mash them this way. If you are still following my recipe, make sure you like it, comment and subscribe to my channel. And now next step is I'm gonna add flour and gently mix it step by step. Don't add all of it. Take 3 or 4 steps of adding flour because you need to fold it, not mix it. Fold it properly. Maybe it can be anti-clockwise or clockwise, which one you prefer, it depends on you, but make sure you fold it in one direction. Here I am showing you from a top view so that you can see how I am folding the flour into the mixture. This is very crucial. You don't need to mix the batter with the blender. You just simply take a spatula and fold it like this. Now I have mixed bananas, baking powder, baking soda plus the vanilla powder into the mixture and gently fold it again. You can also use vanilla essence or vanilla extract, whatever you prefer. So this is your last step. You need to fold the walnuts. You can also use almonds, but the recipe is walnuts banana bread, so I'm adding walnuts into the recipe and also the dark chocolate. Now your mixture is all prepared. You need to grease the tin. You can take any kind of tin you prefer. I'm here taking a loaf bread tin and greasing it with oil and some flour, and your mixture should be thick like this. It should not be runny. On top you can simply add bananas sliced, dark chocolate. I'm adding walnuts. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes and then bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Your toothpick or knife should come out clean. I'm baking it at 180 degrees centigrade. This is the final result. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel.